Hello everyone, Amazing Grace here. In today's video, we're going to be doing something very important. Yes, before I continue with this video, let me ask you, have you ever wondered how people create an AI image of themselves that looks exactly like them? Yes, like it looks exactly like them. This is not matter of creating an AI image and later you found out that it's not looking anything close to you. Okay, so in today's video, hang out with me as I show you how people do this for their brand and post on social media platform. Okay, I'll be screen recording with my phone. Yes, I don't have phone again. They stole my phone from one chance boss just on Saturday. I got a new phone on Thursday, and on Saturday it was stolen from me. It was so bad. If you look at me, my condition is somehow. So it's fine. We're going to continue no matter what happened. Okay. I'm using my sister's phone to shoot and a friend's phone. So come to your Chrome. Yes, first thing first, come to your Chrome. Have you gotten to your Chrome? So let's type Pinterest. Abby, that's the name, right? So Pinterest. Let me check to be sure. Okay, Pinterest, yes. So when we get to Pinterest, you have to scroll for the to check for the picture you want to create something on. That's if the English is correct. So okay, I'm still scrolling, like I'm still looking for a picture. Okay, all right. I love this. I love this. So it's open right now. Okay, what we're going to do is to click on this three dot you're seeing here, and then you see several options appear here. Click on download image. Is it downloading? I don't need stress, please. All right, it's downloading. It even downloaded twice. So when you click on download image, the image have like the image have been downloaded. The next thing to do, I guess you must have chat gpt on your phone. Yes, like it's already downloaded. This friend's phone does not have it, but my sister's phone do have it, but I'm using to record. So come here, click on this plus sign on chat gpt, click on photos, and then here we are. Upload the photo you just downloaded into ChatGPT. Okay, please follow me step by step. Let's do this. Tell ChatGPT to be polite. So let me tell ChatGPT, please um describe this the picture. Describe the picture. Give me a picture prompt. How do they spell prompt? Give me a picture prompt. Okay, describe the picture. Let's say describe everything about the picture. Give me describe everything about the picture except the face. Except the face and complexion. Do you get? Your face is not the same face with what we're seeing here. Do you get? And your complexion might be quite different from what we're seeing here. That's why we're telling ChatGPT to do this. You know, ChatGPT is an AI. Any prompt you give it is what it's going to bring out for you. So I've told ChatGPT to give me a picture prompt, so I have to send it. Let's wait. Please, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, do well to like, do well to share. This is going to encourage me to do more videos like this. Okay, so here, What's all this? Okay, I feel so. It says, let's read it together. A sophisticated woman seated on luxury cream tufted sofa in an elegant living room, wearing a structured red tilt jacket, blah blah blah. You see it? So right now, this is the prompt I'm going to copy. You can copy. Okay, I'll click and hold. What's happening? Okay. Alright, so yeah, click and hold and drag down. Okay, you see what I did? I copy. After copying it, for those of you that are using the app, the next thing to do is to head over again to your Google Chrome or your Edge browser, any browser, Mozilla, whatever browser you're using. Just head over to the browser. Right now, for me that I'm using the website, ChatGPT website, I just have to open um a new search bar and click Gemini AI. You can use several AI tools. There are a lot of AI tools you can use to do this. If you want, you can still do it on ChatGPT. I think we should try ChatGPT, right? But let's do this first. We should still come over to ChatGPT and try it, okay? Or if you want, we can do separate video on that. So I scroll down and then click on Gemini AI and wait for it to open. Oh, what's it showing me? Okay, let me click on the first one. Good. I'm seeing the interface. You're seeing it? So let me check if this is it. Yes, this is it. Because see, I'm using the pro version. You can see it from my phone. I'm using the pro version, and all thanks to my school. I did not pay a dime. My school gave us free access to all the necessary AI tools we'll be needing as their student for 1 year. So I've been using this since last year, though I've not been consistent with it. But this year I decided to be consistent. So I'm using the pro version as I said. So click on the plus sign of the plus icon and click on file. I'm seeing file here, right? Click on media, wherever your picture is, just click on it, okay? Alright, so for my case, I'm going to scroll down and come to this gallery and this. So let me scroll. I just need something that will look exactly like me. Okay. Alright, so let's try. I don't have much pictures here. It's not my phone. Okay. I'm having difficulties making a choice. Okay, let me choose this one. Let's see how it goes. Okay. So I've choose I've chosen a picture right now. So all I need to do is to paste my prompt from ChatGPT. You remember the prompts we generated from ChatGPT? Good. Paste it here. But this time around, I'll say using, come to the front. You see how I moved my pointer to the front? To the front using the subject me using the, okay, let's say yes, using the subject, please. Create using the, oh god, sorry about that. Using the subject, comma. Is this things are not hard maintaining the face? and complexion. I'll now say create. Okay, this A should be turned to a small letter. Though being a big letter, there's no issue. Though we don't have issue with it being a big letter, but what needs to be done perfectly. Alright, so I said using the uh, using the subject, maintaining the face and complexion, create a sophisticated woman. Okay, you see? So let's send it. Let's wait for let's know how it's going to look. This is AI. If you do it and it gives you a wrong or something that doesn't look like you just have to redo it again and again till you get your desired. Okay, okay. It looks exactly like, wow, this beautiful. Okay, so you see, this is what it giving us. You see? Okay, this is the picture. I think it's not bad. I think it looks exactly like the picture I uploaded. There's some person might not know it's me, but it look exactly like the picture. So let's download. I think we'll still try it again with another picture, okay? Yeah, that's why if you're doing this, put a headshot picture of yourself. Okay, so let me copy back my prompt. I think this is downloading. Let me open back a new tab and let me come to the plus icon again. Okay, it has downloaded. Then the file, then the media picker, then this, then this. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's check this images. Okay, let me even use this particular image. You see how this particular image looks like? Let's paste the prompt here and let's wait for it to upload. Let's send. We're checking something to get. So that's it. Please have you subscribed. If you have not done that, do well to subscribe. I'm waiting for you to subscribe. And don't mind how I'm looking. I'm stressed. I mean, I'm very, very stressed. Like, I got a phone few days. That was on 11th of June 2026, that is 11 of this month, and it was stolen on 13th together with my old phone, like inside one chance bus heading to Ikeja. So it's kind of devastating, and all my work are there, my school, everything, my life is practically inside that phone because I school remotely. So you see, so this is what it this okay, this is what it I'm sorry. Okay, so let's download first. This I'm downloading. What's happening? Okay, I'm downloading already. Okay, we're going to compare. Okay, we're going to compare. Okay, downloaded. Done. So let's go head over to our gallery. Let's head over to our picture. Okay, where is it? I don't know. Okay, here we've gotten here. We've checked. This is the image that we worked on. This is the image that we downloaded from Pinterest, right? Okay, and this is what it generated for me using that first image, and this is what it generated for me using the second image. I think this looks more like me. Yes, it looks more like me. Okay, this picture now, this is the picture we used to this. Do you see? You've seen it, right? So this picture gave us this. You see, this is how it's being done. In case there's any video you want me to make for you, tell me. We should have used ChatGPT, but I don't want this video to be long. Okay, thank you so much for hanging up for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate. Okay, please don't mind my setup. Don't mind my setup. I'm not in the right state right now. But I promise you that from our next video, like things is going to change. Yes, like our background is going to change, the lighting is going to change, the sound, everything. Because let me even tell you, I ordered some certain things for our content creation, and it was part of the content creation at my schoolwork, everything. That was why I also ordered the phone. I bought the phone. I've not even finished paying for the phone. I just paid an upfront of 100,000 naira, and because the person knows me, he knows my family, he have been to my house and all that, he have to allow me to go with the phone to complete in the next 2 months. But they stole it. That means I bought phone from thieves. But it's fine. It's fine. Just do well to support me here. That's all I ask for. Alright, so for now we're going to be managing with whoever phone we get. Whoever gives me their phone, we're going to manage to we're able to get another phone. Okay. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. See you in my next one. I love you and bye.